Primetime News this evening, junior doctors return to work following mediation. We'll zoom in on the impact that the doctors' strike had on the operations of public health facilities. And fake doctor says it was all a prank.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, here's a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm.
Thank you, Janella. Well, this evening, the finance minister is underscoring the independence of the central bank. What is that all about? We'll have that and more in the business day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. The West Indies will look to take an unbeatable lead over Bangladesh in their ODI series when the second game is contested on Tuesday. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Should I say yay? Whatever.
And yay on the weather.
And yay on the weather. Today was a beautiful day. Romain has a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, there are drier conditions that are expected across sections of the southeast. We do also have weaker winds across sections of the northeast, and therefore we're not expecting significant showers and thunderstorms to be affecting the northern sections of the island in the afternoons.
Do you feel that Christmas breeze?
Yes, and a lot of rain. Want more rain, Romain, not less. There's also sports commentary E-Prime and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what are your thoughts on today's sick out by junior medical doctors?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.